With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So state any three methods of crystallization. So you know about crystallization. What is crystallization? So crystallization is a technique used for the purification of the substance, or you can say a separation technique for the separation of solid in a solution. So if you know about crystallization, it is a technique to purify the substance from solution. Okay, so what is asking the question? The question asks that state any three methods of crystallization. What are the three methods which is in the form of crystallization? So I'll write the first method here, that is evaporative crystallization. What does this method involve? If you see this method, the solution is kept on a evaporation stage, and after the heating of a substance, in the mode of evaporation, the uh, substance is it is a substance which is purified from the solution. So substance which is purified, which is in the form of evaporative crystallization. So, and we have the second here, that is cooling crystallization. Cooling crystallization, it is a process in which a solution or the melting of a substance, at the time of melting, substance is purified from the solution, or you can say whole solution. So in the process of cooling, we are attaining a new substance from the solution, so it is called cooling crystallization. And evaporative is a substance which is attained in the process of boiling, so it is evaporative crystallization. We have the third one here, third process, which is called precipitation. Precipitation, you must be aware of the word precipitation. What is precipitation? So you can say precipitation is a process of conversion of chemical substance into liquid to form a solution. You can say to form a solution by converting substance into a insoluble form or a supersaturated solution. So when this reaction occur in a precipitation, the solid formed is called precipitate, and precipitation is used as medium. So I'll write in a short form here what is precipitation. It is a conversion of chemical substance, okay, in which stage it is converted. It is converted into an insoluble form. When it is converted into insoluble form, the reaction occur in the liquid solution, and some part is you can say some part is formed in a solid state, and this solid state things are called precipitate. These are occur in solid state. So these solid things are purified from the solution, and this process whole is called precipitation.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.